Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I am a top leader with AVON. We are going to do a makeup tutorial, but quick, I'm going to shut my shower curtain. It's been a weekend. I hope that you all are doing well wherever you are. Oh, my goodness. We had a tornado hit our town this weekend, and we were spared. Our home was spared. Praise the Lord. We had some damage, but not horrible. But our town was hit pretty hard. So if you will keep Bowie, the town, our town that we live in your prayers, we'd appreciate it. It's been a rough weekend. So I haven't put any makeup on since Friday. So we're going to talk about some of the new products that we have launching. Good morning, Angie. Good morning, Amanda. We're going to talk about some of the new products that we have launching today. I'm so excited. I've been using these. You've been seeing me use them. So I've already gone in and done my morning skincare regimen. Of course, I did my Vitamin C warming peel in the shower. Feels amazing on your skin. My Vitamin C Serum to help brighten my skin with deep wrinkles, fine lines. And I did my Depuffing Eye Serum for these bags because, well, once a tornado hits, you don't sleep very good after that. And my Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream to help brighten these under eyes. Did you know that 88% of women said within 2 weeks of using this, they've seen under eye clarity and brightening? How about that? You want to be in the 88%? Are you seeing a theme here? Lots of vitamin C. And then we're going to use our illuminating primer today. So I've been using this on the down low and not really letting you guys know. So I'm going to kind of do this and give you my first reactions. It has a little bit of a scent to it, kind of like an orange scent. Fresh. It smells great. And you can use this as a moisturizer and as a primer. So it's going to work in conjunction with each other so that it's going to help prime your skin to get ready for makeup, and it's going to give you that balancing moisture that you need. So I'm super excited. So these launch today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And here's the cool thing. Whenever you buy any of these products, you get the warming peel for free. I love free stuff. Love free gifts. So you want to check those out because you're going to want those in your makeup regimen. Okay, we're going to go in now with our Cashmere Complexion in shade Cannoli. And we also have a couple of other products that are launching today. Our website changes over to our new brochure on the Tuesday. It's like every other Tuesday. So you are in for a treat when you see all the new stuff that we have coming. So, what happened in your weekend? How did you celebrate Memorial Day? Did you have some fun with family and friends? Or are you still on lockdown? Everybody kind of has different stuff going on. So, I'll put that Cashmere Complexion on my hand. I think I got a little bit much. I haven't done makeup in a while. It's okay. And we're going to pat it in. Here we go. And we're just using this beauty blender to just kind of blend it in. We did take some time yesterday and do a little cookout with the boys, trying to get some normalcy with everything that's happened. There was light poles down. Actually, 2 tornadoes met up and hit our town. So one from one direction, one from another. And so it created quite a perfect storm. If you have ever seen Twister, that's what our town looked like. It was nuts. Okay, here we go. I think that is giving us the coverage that we want. With that 24-hour wear, it's definitely going to help us last through the day with all the things we have to get done today. And then we're using our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. Going down in a downward triangle. Here we go. And then we'll let that dry for just a second. I didn't know y'all had 2. Yeah, we had 2. We had one come from the south, and then we had one come up from the north, and it met right on our downtown, which is crazy because it's just like it followed the highways. One of them dropped down exactly 1 mile from our house. Our volunteer fire department station is 1 mile from our house. My husband is a volunteer fireman, and it sucked all 5 garage doors out from the volunteer fire station. I have never seen anything like it in my life. 30 minutes after the storm hit, Magix dust, we're going to use that in translucent loose powder. 30 minutes after the storm hit, of course, they called for volunteers to come for like search and rescue and to help save, people. And so my husband went, and this is a great setting powder. I need to say this. It's a great setting powder to help set your makeup. But when they got to the fire station to get the trucks out, the doors were gone. Some of them had landed on the trucks, and some of them had landed like in the parking lot. It's like something you've never seen. I mean, we were definitely blessed because the tornado set down 1 mile from our house and then just stayed on the ground as it went the opposite direction. So it could have been bad, and it was bad for lots of families. The blessing in it is that we've heard there's no fatalities. Everybody survived. We do have a friend that was hurt pretty bad. They were trying to get to the cellar, and a tree fell on him. So he was hurt pretty bad. His name is Barry, so keep him in your prayers. It's just one of those wild and crazy nights that you never want to live through again. Okay, Tattoo Station in shade Brown Black. Guys, this is live now on the website. You definitely want to pick one of these up. It is a tattoo. It will stay in place. It will help you with your arch. It will help you with filling in those brows. And it helps your brows look good. Everybody should at least fill in your brows because it's the gateway to your face. And it's super easy. I just follow the lines of my hair and just kind of gently touch it and fill them in. It's really pretty simple. And if you'll get it, as soon as you start, if you have a mess up, you should be able to wipe it off. And then you can use a little spindle on the other end. Look at those brows. That's a winning brow look if you ask me. Love it. It is the best, isn't it? This tattoo station is, every woman needs one. Like I said, it's live on the website now. My mom didn't realize how close. Yeah, I wondered if she had any damage. My husband's aunt, we've been married 20 years. We're going to use the Mono Pop palette in Coral. You guys are going to love this. This palette is so pretty. They live just up the road from us, and they had 18 trees down. It lifted their roof off their house, and every room had the roof falling in. So they had some pretty significant damage. So Chad spent a lot of the morning over there trying to help them. Our local hotel was hit pretty bad. Like the roof was taken off the top. It was crazy. And I mean, just power. I've never seen so many power lines down in my life. Okay, for our color, let's go with, let's use a little bit of this one and a little bit of this one. Let's blend those two, and we'll work our crease. It's kind of a little bit of a coral. I think we can pull off coral with brown eyes, don't you? Okay. And then the cool thing is, so we're doing this color and a little bit of this color. After the storm hit, I'm not kidding you, the next day when we went out to help people, it was like the nation showed up for us. I mean, there was people from all over the nation here helping, cut up trees, power companies sending people in from all over. It was amazing. Okay, for our blending color, we're going to use this one and this one. it was just amazing to see so many people just show up for our town and help. And I mean, it was amazing to see. It's kind of one of those things that you just never think is going to happen. And when it does, you're grateful for all the people that show up to help. So it was an adventurous weekend, to say the least. I'm just thankful no one was hurt. Okay, what do you think about that look? I like it. I have to tell you guys, I'm still feeling a little bit from this illuminating primer. It's like, it feels refreshing. It's cool. It has this very kind of a subtle feel. So I'm excited to see the results. SuperExtend Precision Liquid Pen. Yes, I'm telling you, I have never seen people come together and work like they have with this. And the cool thing is, you didn't see a mask one. You didn't see people worried about the coronavirus. You seen people helping each other. And that being what was, what people were doing. It was not about living in fear. It was about taking care of your neighbor. And so, I think that just goes to show us that sometimes, hold on. It's hard to talk and do eyeliner. Sometimes we can let ourselves be bundled up with fear when, there's a lot worse things that could happen. And so this was definitely an example to Bowie that it's time to put your eyes where they need to be. And we're going to curl those lashes up for our Love Mascara. Yay! Okay. Oh, Cindy, I have your Love Mascara in. We need to get together so I can get you that. Okay. Gonna work on those lashes. I will tell you, from not wearing makeup for all weekend, my face feels refreshed. Sometimes you just got to give your face a little break. And we're going to do this lash over here. Look at those lashes. Yes. Okay, and we're going to use our VDL Cube Color. This stuff feels so good. It's got a little bit of a plumper in it. It's going to be a little bit of a gloss. You could use it on top of a color, or you could just use it as your gloss, and then you could just go. So that is our look today, post-tornado. So I hope that you found some tips that are helpful for you. Be sure and hop on today and get those vitamin C products so that you can get that free warming peel. You are not going to want to miss that deal. It is an incredible deal. And let me know if you have any questions for which product would be best for you. I hope that you have a great day. I hope you had a great Memorial Day. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.